Hello there, everybody. So I'm one hot, sweaty mess in London, England. I've just completed 2 weeks on the most incredible course of my life. I was working with a bunch of accent coaches who were dialect coaches who were absolutely phenomenal and such absolute stars. I mean, the staff, the teachers were just absolutely fucking amazing and just beautiful people. And then all the students on the course were so fucking talented. I mean, like, honestly, I just felt like I was in accent royalty for the entire time. Do you know what I mean? And yeah, I finished my course. I'm full of the joys of spring. I'm feeling absolutely fantastic. I spent 2 weeks in London, and you know, like, for me, London has become a city very dear to my heart. I'm gonna miss this place so much. I have to go back home now, and I would like to stay longer, you know. I want to be here always, but I can't. So I will definitely be coming back for a visit. I know that. It is just too much fun here. Anyway, I just want to share that. If any of the people on my course are here, you know I love you. You know I love you so much. Okay, everybody. Catch you next time. Love you. Bye.